Here is how to swap BNB on PancakeSwap step by step. First, open your browser and go to PancakeSwap.finance. Tap Connect Wallet in the top right and choose your wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure your wallet is on the BNB Smart Chain network. On the home page, click Trade, then choose Swap. In the From section, select BNB, and in the To section, select the token you want, like Cake, USDT, or any listed token. Enter the amount of BNB you want to swap. If it's your first time using that token, click Enable and approve it in your wallet. Now click Swap, review the details, and confirm the transaction. Approve it in your wallet and wait a few seconds for the confirmation. Your swapped tokens now will appear in your wallet automatically, or can be added manually using a contract address. And that's how you swap BNB on PancakeSwap. Fast, low fees, and great for DeFi beginners. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.